Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we will show you one of the most beautiful sunset that we've ever seen here in Zadar, Croatia. And on this side, it's the greetings of the sun and the sea organ, and we managed to drove from Zadar to Vodis to Šibenik up to Split. We also visited a UNESCO World Heritage, considered as the oldest and the largest national park in the Republic of Croatia, the Plitvice Lakes. Also, we are so thankful and blessed to see the beautiful churches of the Old Town Square here in Zadar, Croatia. Alright mga kusina, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. I'm Chef Herbert Sophia, and today po nandito kami ngayon sa Zadar. Zadar is a part of Croatia. So, napakaganda ng lugar. We arrived here around lunchtime from Helsinki. And today, papakita ko sa inyo mga magagandang puntahan dito sa Zadar, Croatia. And at this moment, nandito kami ngayon sa sea organ. So, yung tunog po galing sa wave ng dagat. Ayan, napakaraming tao. Makikita nyo soon. And then, meron ditong sunset view na napakaganda. Ayan. We will stay here for a week. Then, marami kaming pupuntahan. And, ang daming turista. Ang ganda ng weather is like almost 30 degrees. But, cooler than in the Philippines. So, ito po yung sunset ng Zadar, Croatia. Napakaganda. Then, ayan o, ang daming tao. Grabe. Yan. Then, nandun po yung sea organ. Mamaya pupuntahan natin. But at the moment, nandito tayo sa may parang tinatawag din ang Corniche. Sa ibang lugar. Or sa Manila is Baywalk. Ayan po yung pinupuntahan na lahat. At this moment, is around 7 o'clock in the evening. Pero ayan po yung Zadar, Croatia. Napakaganda. Yan. Dito po, blue colors ang dagat. Kitang-kita mo yung baba kung especially in the morning. So tomorrow morning pupunta tayo dito. Lagyan natin sa drive our drone. Ayan. Nandito na po kami ngayon sa sea organ. So that from waves na papasok doon pababa, yan lalabas ngayon. It will create sounds na parang how do you call it, from parang turotot ang tunog niya. So napakaganda, daming tao, and this is the sunset now in Zadar. Very beautiful, sobra. Woo! Sa focus yung sunset, ito yung naririnig nyo parang tunog ng organ. Ayan na po yung sea organ dito sa Croatia. Napakadaming tao, Bulipak hanggang doon. Ito yung kanyang riva, or it's like a Corniche. And then yan na po yung tunog. Lumakas yung alon. Yan, kaya medyo nagalisa yung mga tao kasi nabasa sila along this area. Meron kasi dumaan na speedboat. Pero yung tunog mas lalong gumanda, lalo naging intense at lalong lumakas. Then that's the sunset, and here this is the greetings of the sun. So it's like a big round circle siya that is powered by solar panels. And when it gets really dark, so it's gonna be like a dancing lights show. So greetings of the sun here in Zadar, Croatia. Mamaya abangan natin yan, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. huli pa kang tao. And everybody's enjoying because of the weather. Wow. Imagine. Super sunset.
Ayun na, doon.
Ito na guys, pinapakita ko sa inyo ngayon ang Meet Up with the Sun. Yan. Ang dami ng tao naghihintay sa pagbubukas ng ilaw powered by solar panel. Zadar is a city of Croatia's Dalmatian coast. It's known for the Roman and Venetian ruins and its peninsular old town. There are also several Venetian gates in the city walls, surrounding the Roman-era Forum in the 11th century. The St. Mary's Convent, the religious art dating to the 8th century. There's also a grand 12th century, the St. Anastasia's Cathedral, and the round 9th century pre-Romanesque Church of St. Donatus. Zadar's spellbinding old town, mouth-watering cuisine, and a blissful beaches are wrapped in one of the most picturesque portion of the Dalmatian coast, and making it the ideal destination for a quick visit and for a longer stay. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And see you in our next vlogs.